Hey guys, this is Nathan Poindexter channel. Right on. How you guys doing today? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. Today I'm drawing a little crazy guy. He's a crazy Asian with a bat. And this lady or long-haired musician just pissed him off. Oh, you find yourself on the wrong end of a Louisville slugger and damned if you do, damned if you don't. Woo! Oh man. Thank God I live in America where it's safe, where this doesn't go on down the street every other hour. Especially in Mexico. You cross the cartel, you're gone. Especially if you're like working a brothel. You don't earn your keep, or you steal from the mafia, you're dead. Yeah, it's a crazy world out there. Oh, kitty cats. Meow. I like kitties. Life's like a kitty cat sometimes, soft and cuddly, and just all fun, you know? Fun, some laughs, and feel good time. Behind the kitty cat is the lion. The lion is like cold harshness of reality. Grim reminder that it's meat for the beast. This world is like the beast. It's never satisfied till it's had enough blood. You know? And the Sahara. Life and death out in the Serengeti. South Africa.